Hello. Breathing, most important aspect of your existence. And 75% of the people don't know how to do right breathing. Slow, rhythmic, deep breathing. We all know that, okay, this is the way of breathing. But how to manage that? 24/7. If somebody tells you to breathe, deep breathing, it has to be deep. Is it possible for you? There's one shloka, chale vatam, chale chittam, nischale nischalam bhavet. Means your mind can be governed through your breathing. The way your mind goes, your breathing changes. When you are angry, if you are feeling anxiety, your breathing pattern will change significantly. So here in Hill Station, we are teaching different kind of breathing exercises, pranayama practice, some variation which is not so popular and which works like a magic. So Kapalbhati Kriya, which helps you for detoxification. There is one Anulom Vilom Pranayam, which helps you for managing your stress. A certain variation of Anulom Vilom Pranayam, Brahmari Pranayam, Bhastrika Pranayam. Most of the doctors are using Bhastrika Pranayam nowadays. They are practicing it to beat corona, and Bhastrika can beat all kind of viruses, not only corona. Any kind of cold and flu will not ever happen to you if you are practicing Bhastrika. Now let's see certain practices in fast forward mode. This was Kapalbhati. Let's see Bhastrika. Let's see Anulom Vilom. Let's see Anulom Vilom with Brahmari. Each practice, so these are the few practices. There are multiple practices. Each practice has some importance in your respiratory system, in your nervous system. It acts as a painkiller. It can reduce your blood pressure. It can reduce, of course, it helps you to manage your RR rate, respiratory rate. So to understand all this aspect, with understanding, with scientific approach, if you want to learn pranayam practices, join us at Hill Station. Thank you very much. Thank you.